It's early in hurricane season 2025. It's the end of June, and we've seen so far is a very active Eastern Pacific with multiple hurricanes causing flooding and issues to the west coast of Mexico. Now going into the Atlantic, we have a very calm and relaxed area with no hurricanes really forming over the Atlantic or into the Caribbean or into the Gulf. Now the ocean surface temperature in the Caribbean is very warm. All of the sea is above 27 degrees, in some areas at 29, and the Gulf is a little warmer of 28 up to 30 degrees Celsius in some areas off the coast of Louisiana and the Gulf Coast. And the winds are strong over the Caribbean, moving west, and they're a little lighter in the Gulf, moving northwest. This wind speed could be a reason why these tropical storms and depressions aren't forming in this area currently. Now, taking a look at the Atlantic Ocean between Cape Verde and the Lesser Antilles, which is the eastern Caribbean islands that stretch from Puerto Rico down to off the coast of South America, we're looking at a very calm, light winds to the west, and we're looking at areas of below average sea surface temperature or above average, but that generally the ocean is around 27 and 28 degrees Celsius. So in terms of the ocean temperature, that's set. That can definitely form and help develop hurricanes when they do form, and that would sustain the development into areas like the Caribbean and the Gulf, which are generally warmer bodies of water, but the Atlantic Ocean has that ocean temperature set and ready to go for hurricanes. What's left is the wind and the air pressure. So looking at these easterly waves coming off Africa, or even these waves forming in the Lesser Antilles and going through the Caribbean up into the Gulf. But right now it looks very calm, very relaxed. However, we might have a developing system off the coast of Cape Verde with the easterlies and the westerlies converging in this area, which could potentially form a depression. And that depression could form a storm, and that storm could form into a hurricane. But we need conditions to be sustained like this over a course of time to help develop these tropical cyclones.